cities, Tenochtitlan, Tlaxcala, and Cholula, all of which were larger than any city in Europe. I now know we ran an education system in Tenochtitlan that had the first free and mandatory schools for everyone, male and female. And we think our people don't like education. We were a people of science, of hard work, of genius, of discipline. We have superior knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, the calendar, medicine, surgery, anatomy, pharmacology, botany, and a theology that was a science, that was a pure love of our Creator. All of these accomplishments we did in form superior to anything the Europeans had in 1492. Yes, we had cities.